The MX fuel system is providing plenty of power.
The MX fuel sewer drum machine with the tracks up and down stairs, it's a game changer.
The POWERTREDZ system will help me ascend and descend from stairs faster in a safer way.
In and out of the truck is a breeze. There's very little wrenching of the back, straining of the legs. It does the work for you.
It's had absolutely enough power to get through any clog and pull out any tree roots or foreign objects that you have in the line. I've not had a clog yet that I couldn't get through with this.
It's very impressive for a battery-powered machine to do the same job without the cord. It's more efficient, but it's also a lot safer.
You have a quick release now in case you hit a hard blockage. You just got to push one button and it releases it right away.
You've got to be able to cut through some big roots to get some of these sewers open. This Milwaukee machine has walked right through it.
The battery on the MX Fuel sewer drum machine is phenomenal.
I've had 5+ calls on one single battery. The battery only takes 40 minutes to charge.
This machine has the casing around it, which encloses it, keeps it all in a clean formation. Even transportation of the machine up and down the stairs through the house stays a whole lot cleaner.
There is no spray. There is zero spray, and it's been a great feature.
Everything's self-contained. No drums spitting up stuff on people's walls, on their carpet. Nothing at all.
It's going to make guys more productive.
The lifting of the machine is the most difficult portion of the job. And if we can take that and turn that into a 20% effort from what it was, everybody wants one.